All right, can you say your name, where you're from, and what you're expecting out of this lesson?
Vicki Burke, Utah. I'm not sure what I'm expecting. I'm a little scared. I'm gonna go flying, so I'm not quite sure how high up in the water I'm gonna feel. So I guess I'm very nervous, but excited.
Excited at the same time, okay.
Tim Burke, Park City, Utah also. Just kind of hoping to get up and fly and be able to turn on the foil. So.
Now you guys are ski instructors, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to also evaluate your instructor a little bit because you know how to handle students.
So far you've been 5 stars.
Okay.
Out of 4. So
all right.
You're doing great.
Let's get on the water.
It's fantastic.
All right, guys, so you just finished up your Efoil lesson. Was it everything you expected, or was it a little bit different?
It was a little easier than I thought.
Oh, nice.
I never thought I could stand up, and once I got that down, or when I felt comfortable doing that, and then just having that hover, just trying to feel that sweet spot, and then I was flying.
Nice. Okay.
It was cool. It was everything I expected and more. I think everything was a little easier than I had thought, except backside turn that was a little slow coming to me. But I think, you know, another time backside turn will come down. But Alika's lesson, I mean, he made it easy. He made it a lot easier than it probably should be.
It was great having
it was all in the instructor.
Would you recommend it to others?
Oh, absolutely, without a doubt.
You do again?
Two thumbs up.
Yeah,
nice.
That's right. 2 thumbs up.
Okay.
No, it was awesome. Definitely, you have to do. Skip the pineapple farm, the plantation. Do this.
Do this. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
All right.